Now, itong picture na to was taken many years ago. Siguro 2008. I think 2008 yung photo na yan. So, bakit ko yan nilagay yung picture na yan? Kasi for tonight, we're going to talk about unpacking your money story. Kasi sabi nila, yan daw ang first step to financial freedom when you understand your story, what you created around money. So, ito yung first time kasi na solo trip ako. And I tried to create sa mind ko na walang limit ang pera. So, anong ibig sabihin? Kasi how would you feel, di ba? Pagka walang limit, pag bibilhin mo lang o orderin mo lang yung gusto mong orderin. Sige, feel free to comment or open your mic. Anong mafe-feel mo pagka may nakita kang gusto mo, bibilhin mo na lang siya. Hindi mo naiisipin kung magkano yung gagastusin mo. So, this trip, to some extent, nilagyan ko siya pa rin ng budget, but hindi yung usual na budget ko. I didn't go crazy with it. So, nag-book ako ng room, bumili ako ng food. Hindi ko tinignan yung price list. Alam mo yun, I put myself in that situation na parang, ano kayang mafe-feel ko pagka hindi ko iniisip kung magkano yung bibilhin ko or magkano yung orderin ko. Diba? How would you feel pag ganun? May nakita kang gusto mo, order, add to cart, check out, pay na agad. Diba? So that's what I did in that solo trip that I did. First time ko mag-solo trip. Sa La Union lang naman yan. But it was very, mind-opening, eye-opening, heart-opening, whatever have you. Kasi it was, parang eat, pray, love ang peg, di ba? Pero more than just finding myself is also experiencing na yung relationship ko sa pera. So if you've not tried that, di ba? Don't go crazy naman, baka ubusin mo yung savings mo. Pero try it, parang punta ka sa isang restaurant or whatever have you, theme park, or kung ano man yung trip mo or massage, na hindi mo titignan yung presyo. Pero, syempre, let's be realistic, di ba? Lagyan natin siya ng boundary pa rin. But then, at least you're breaking through your current situation.